Come on, come on. Try. Ate, what's that, tay?
Smoking ball.
Wow, it's really smoking, huh?
Eat it, hurry up.
Ah! It's smoking!
Ikaw.
So cold, huh? Oh, kaya-kaya ni Kate, oh. One more try. Oh, really smoking, huh? Go, try again, Kate. Blow. Let's smoke. Ayun. Okay guys, the smoking balls at SM Pulilan. Vacation is over. Back to work na.